So comment below who is in the wrong here. You're going straight and the car on the right of you, this red car here, they put their hand out to go left and they're almost causing an accident. So comment below, is that A, the driver was wrong, or B, this red car where they cut across to the left, who was in the wrong causing the accident? To understand and get a better idea, let's go through the roundabout itself. Look at the arrows on the floor. The left lane goes left or straight, the middle lane goes straight, the far right lane has an arrow going straight, which also you can go right. Now watch what happens. Where this blue car is, you have two choices, you can go straight or left. The middle car, you can see it doesn't look like it's a professional driving school, just a random guy teaching their mate probably. And what's worse is they're going to stick their hand out, causing the learner driver now to cut across into the far left. Now unfortunately, the driver here going straight, they're probably not going to be thinking about the cars on the middle or right lane, and rightly so, because you want to concentrate on your exit, your lane, and as the lights go, you want to look right, just make sure no cars are coming through, and then just go straight. But as you're driving, this guy puts his hand out, and almost causing an accident. Great reaction from the driver to pause. If we just play it back, you'll see they're going to stick out their hand left to turn left. And then as they do, almost causing an accident here. Great reaction from the driver. Had they not reacted, there definitely would have been a collision. But the fault is this guy's here. He's making the learner cut across by pointing at the left, probably telling the driver to cut across. And, you know, unfortunately, could lead to an accident.